We're now going to continue on with OpenOffice, the Calc portion. I'm going to open up OpenOffice, which is the spreadsheet. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and when I open it up, you can see it looks very similar to Excel. And it works the same way as well. Again, the interface is more like 2003. It is like 2003's version of Microsoft Excel rather than the newer versions of it. But a lot of people still like that. And I don't think OpenOffice really has any plans, at least right now, to change their interface to look like 2007 or 2010's versions in Microsoft Office. But you can do so much with this. And if you're familiar with Microsoft Excel, you can use this with no problem at all. You enter data the same way. You click in a cell and you can type and tab over and enter. One of the things that's nice about this that they have taken from more the 2007 versions is the zoom down here. I use zoom quite a bit when I'm working in Excel just because I like those cells a little bit bigger so I can see them a little more easily. And another thing that I really like about OpenOffice is right up here in the toolbar in the applications, there is an icon that I can click in it to export directly to a PDF file. So if I'd like to save this as a PDF file, I can do it that easily. I'm going to just cancel out of here now. And there's one more thing. I don't know how familiar you are with formulas, but as I was exploring OpenOffice, I kind of thought this was interesting, so I thought I would show you this. I'm going to come down into cell A3 and put in next year, just the year 2013. And I'm going to go into cell A4 and I'm going to put a formula in, and the formula is very simple. I'm just going to put in equals Easter Sunday, and then in an open parenthesis, and then I'm going to put the cell reference, which is A3, close my parenthesis and enter. And there with that formula, it will show me the date of Easter in 2013. That's little things like that Excel doesn't offer, but they're kind of fun. And there's oftentimes I'm looking for what date is Easter, and I have to pull out a calendar that has the holidays listed on it. No more, I have to just open up OpenOffice, the Calc portion of it, and put in that simple formula. When I go to save this, just like I demonstrated in the right portion of it, if I go to File, Save, and I'm just going to call this Demo, and I'll do Save. And now I have it saved. Now, I may have a problem with this. If I go to save this as a Word document, or I'm sorry, as an Excel document, because that formula is not in Excel. So I'm going to go to File. Remember how I did that in the word processing demonstration. Go down to Save As. I'm going to leave it called Demo, but instead of saving it as a spreadsheet, I'm going to save it as an Excel spreadsheet. And notice another option I have is as a template, so you can even create templates in here. I'm going to do Save, leaving it called Demo, and I'm going to again click Keep Current Format. Then I'm going to close. I'll also close OpenOffice. I have a folder up here, my OpenOffice folder, where I have those files saved. And if I open up the demo, and this is the OpenOffice version of it, there it is. And I'm going to close that and open up the Excel version. And you can see here, I have an error because the computer in Excel does not know a formula called Easter Sunday. There's no function that they have called Easter Sunday, so it came up with an error. But other than that, you can see that everything looks the same. Even though I created it in OpenOffice, I can open it up in Microsoft Excel with no problem.